Why certifications matter for non-CS majors.
Programming certifications can be a powerful way for self-taught learners and non-CS majors to prove their skills to employers. They help demonstrate your commitment to learning, provide a structured path to mastering new concepts, and can set you apart from other newcomers who lack formal computer science backgrounds.
Microsoft Technology Associate (MTA) certifications.
The Microsoft Technology Associate (MTA) certifications focus on fundamental programming and IT concepts. They are designed for beginners and do not require prior experience. Exams like Introduction to Programming using Python or JavaScript are ideal starting points, making them accessible to self-taught learners who want to validate their foundation in coding.
CompTIA IT Fundamentals ITF Plus.
CompTIA IT Fundamentals ITF Plus is a well-known entry-level certification covering basic IT and programming topics. It helps non-CS majors understand key concepts like software development, database basics, and security. ITF Plus requires no prerequisites, making it suitable for those just starting their programming journey.
Python Institute's PCEP certification.
The Python Institute's PCEP, Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer, is specifically for beginners. It covers topics such as basic syntax, data types, control structures, and simple coding tasks. The exam is accessible and focused on practical skills, making it highly popular among self-taught learners with limited formal education in computer science.
Other accessible certifications.
Some additional beginner-friendly options include the Oracle Certified Associate (OCA) Java SE Programmer 1 and Coursera or edX verified certificates in coding foundations. Many of these programs offer online study materials and flexible exam options, providing a pathway for self-directed learners to build and showcase their programming knowledge in a structured way.
Tips for getting started with certifications.
Start with interactive courses and practice coding daily. Research exam topics and use official study guides. Many certification providers have online forums for support. Remember, certifications validate your learning, but building real projects and practicing problem solving are just as important for creating a strong programming foundation.